Hi guys! Today we are learning how to contact Claude AI support. First, unlock your phone and open the Google Chrome app. Once the browser opens, go to the search bar at the top. Now tap on the search bar and type Claude AI. You will see different results appearing on your screen. Look carefully and find the official Claude AI website. So choose the correct option to avoid any confusion. From the results, tap on the official Claude AI link. This will open the Claude AI homepage where you can access your account. Make sure you open the correct official site only. Now we will move to the account section. Now look at the top left side of the screen and tap on the menu or icon. This will open different options related to your account. Here you can access settings, help, and support options. So continue carefully to find the support section. Now scroll down and tap on your name or profile section at the bottom left. This will open your account, settings, and related options. From here, you can access help and support features easily. So this is an important step to reach customer support. Now you will see different options in the menu. Tap on Get Help to open the support section. Here you may see options like Support Chat or Help Center. So just continue and proceed to contact support. Now look for the option Contact Customer Support. Tap on it to start a support conversation. You can now type your issue in the chat box. This is where you directly reach the Claude AI support team. Now type your question or problem in the message box. After writing your issue, tap the send arrow icon. Your message will be delivered to the support system, and you will get help depending on your issue. And that's how you can easily contact Claude AI support step by step. Now you can ask for help anytime if you face any issue in your account. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment for more simple tutorials like this.